So another day begins with a walk through pretty deep forest. Last night, as I was looking for a place to camp, a few weird things happened. So first one was, started hearing banging, but rhythmic. And when I stopped, it stopped. So I started to think I was going crazy, or it was just a malicious woodpecker. But then the third time I stopped, it carried on, and it was definitely a sort of tune, a boom, 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 or something like that. And so that was pretty weird. So carried on. Thought there may have been somebody lurking in the woods, being an arse. I have seen a couple of beggars or kind of vagrants who seem to be pretty much living in the woods by the sand dunes, not yesterday and the day before. One of them asked me for €1, which I did actually give him, and he was delighted. That was my good deed for the week. But anyway, I carried on after hearing this boom, 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 whatever, a little bit unsettled, looking for a place to camp. And then I looked around, and bear in mind, I hadn't seen anybody for a few hours, not since I'd left the road. And then in the distance, I saw I think it was a woman, I'm not sure, but she had her basket and she was bent over collecting something, blueberries, let's say. And I was quite relieved actually, because I thought maybe that's what the banging was. There was just other berry pickers out there hidden in the undergrowth, and that's what I'd heard.